from the comfort of our homes. This is Braves Beat.
Hello, Braves. Happy New Year, and welcome to our first episode of Braves Beat for 2021. I'm David Holdenko.
And I'm Graham Pierce. Well, David, did you make your New Year's resolutions?
Yes. How about you?
Yep. Well, some of our Braves Beat team asked some teachers and classmates the same question. Roll the clip.
My New Year's resolution is to give back to others more than we have in the past, and include my kids in those endeavors of reaching out and helping our communities. Hopefully in the near future, when things start to open back up, maybe more than they are right now.
Bonjour IHHS et bonne année, Happy New Year. My New Year's resolution is to continue trying new recipes, specifically fish-based recipes. My French students know that that's been a goal of mine this year. Voilà, bonne année!
My resolution is to get my driver's license this year.
My New Year's resolutions are to continue being a great person and friend, and to also put some more focus and commitment into my YouTube channel.
My New Year's resolution is to start living in the present more and stop taking pictures of everything I find cool and instead just enjoying the moment and the experience when it happens.
In 2021, I resolved to draw every day. Just something little, something small, practicing the power of observation and having some fun with it.
New Year's resolutions, I want to maintain a positive attitude, I want to journal more often, and I want to try a new activity that gets me out of my comfort zone.
I want to get more exercise this year.
I'd have to say that my biggest New Year's resolution that I really want to focus on is not spending so much time on social media or YouTube.
My New Year's resolution is to get strong.
Okay, for years now, I have been writing twos. Like this and like this. Two different styles. Sometimes, I'll even employ these two different styles in the same number. This is madness. My New Year's resolution? Pick a two and stick with it.
We resolve to be creative.
Happy.
2021.
It's not
Too late.
to join the
Visual Art Club.
Looks like 2021 is gonna be a great year. Our Board of Education had a special board meeting on December 22nd and took the first steps towards placing a combined operating and bond issue on the May 4th, 2021 ballot. The ballot issue will provide dollars for daily operations and a bond issue to meet critical district needs. Check the link in the description of this episode for more details.
Kindergarten registration opened yesterday, January 7th, 2021. Also, our Indian Hill Primary School is offering a virtual event on Thursday, January 21st, 2021 at 7 p.m. to introduce you to the exceptional kindergarten experience at Indian Hill. This event is geared towards adult audiences. Click on the link in the description for complete details and to register for the event. Here's a short clip from Superintendent Konecki and Principal Dr. Owens on our primary school experience that makes us uniquely Indian Hill. Roll the clip.
Hi, this is Kirk Konecki, Superintendent of Indian Hill. We're getting ready to welcome our new class of Braves to the primary school. I'm here with Dr. Aaron Owens. Aaron, can you tell us a little bit about what makes the primary school experience uniquely Indian Hill?
Absolutely. One of the things that makes us most unique is the design of our day. It's designed around the developmental needs of 4, 5, and 6-year-olds. Additionally, we have a world-class staff with unique training for kindergarten students. Finally, you'll find that our environment is very natural, and so our teachers are able to take advantage of that and have outdoor learning incorporated into their curriculum on a daily basis.
Some wonderful elements to instruction here, and we supplement that with performing arts, world-class STEM experiences, field trips, and all of those global competencies that we want our students to learn here at Indian Hill. There you have it. World-class opportunities that make us uniquely Indian Hill. Kindergarten registration opens up on January 7th. Go Braves.
Congratulations go out to Annie Isferding in being selected to the 2020 United Soccer Coaches Fall Girls High School All-Central Region team.
Our Indian Hill robotics students have been keeping busy over winter break. They designed a robot to combat COVID-19 spread. Wow. Check out this video they created to share their story.
Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well during this pandemic. Our team recently created a robot to help prevent the spread of COVID-19.
Over the last several months, the number of positive COVID-19 cases have been rising in our school community. While everyone at school wears a mask to prevent the airborne spread of the virus, the second most common way of contracting COVID-19 is through touching surfaces. Desks are one of the most commonly touched surfaces in the school building. This is where our robotics knowledge was put to the test. We need to create an efficient robot that was affordable and environmentally friendly to eliminate COVID-19.
We designed and created a custom robot that disinfects to the surface of desks using a UV light. This tool helps prevent the spread of COVID-19 and keep the school community safe.
By creating our autonomous cleaning robot, we are helping custodians, teachers, and students be safe. As a result, custodians don't have to clean as many desks, teachers don't have to worry about their classroom safety, and students can feel safe sitting at their desks.
We decided to choose the school as a recipient because we wanted to make a safer environment to allow the school to continue in face-to-face learning. Because hundreds of people will walk around the school, the robot will keep many people safe by disinfecting the surfaces between each row. And this is our robot.
The robot used 3 line followers to follow the line. If the center line follower detected the line, then the robot would move forward. If the right line follower detected the line, then the robot would turn left. If the left line follower detected the line, then the robot would turn right. When it detected green, it would make a right or left turn. When it detected masking tape, it would activate the arm and clean the desk autonomously.
Our cleaning mechanism uses a UVC wand to disinfect the desk. Here's a demonstration of it in action. The robot arm does 3 sweeps of the desk to ensure that 99.9% of the germs, including the COVID-19 virus, are removed.
Our robot doesn't just stop at cleaning desks. A similar model can be fitted with a hand sanitizer dispenser and a temperature checker that can be stationed or roaming throughout the hallways. In the future, creating a fleet of these robots that can communicate with each other can help reduce the risk of spreading the virus. Even though with all these new robotic capabilities, it's still important that everybody stays socially distant, wears masks, sanitizes, and washes their hands often. Thank you, and stay safe.
The Inquirers recently published the Greater Cincinnati and Northern Kentucky Fall High School Sports All-Stars for 2020. Starting off with football in Division 4, the first team honors go to Ty Thornton, Charlie Summerall, Luke Hammond, Will Kleekamp, Charlie DeGeneiro, and Doug Zang. Second team honors go to Grant Lanham, Julie Shawley, Zach Osterhughes, Antoine Peake Jr., Luke Folk, and Dan Sheard. Congratulations to all our football All-Stars.
Yes, and in Girls Tennis Division 2, the Co-Player of the Year goes to Brooke Arrington and Bella Kirby, and the Doubles Team of the Year goes to Jessica August and Hannah Pollock. The 2020 Coach of the Year goes to our first-year coach, Wade Ward. The first team singles honors go to Brooke Arrington and Bella Kirby, with an honorable mention to Jessica Buddy. The first team doubles honors go to the team of Jenny Zhang and Lexi Larson, and also to the team of Jessica August and Hannah Pollock. Congratulations to our Girls Tennis All-Stars.
For Division 2 Boys Soccer, first team recognition goes to Michael Kazmarowski and Jasper Bennett. Second team recognition goes to Jacob Tan and Charlie Isferding, with honorable mention to Michael Check. Switching over to Division 2 Girls Soccer, Player of the Year goes to Annie Isferding. First team honors go to Annie Isferding, Lauren Fry, and Megan O'Brien. Second team honors go to Jordan Church and Rose Vigran, with an honorable mention to Zoe Heineman. Congratulations to all of our soccer all-stars.
Moving to girls field hockey, the player of the year goes to Bridget Schumacher. Coach of the year to Indian Hill's Tara Rose. First team honors go to Bridget Schumacher and Madden Phelps. Second team honors go to Josie Faber, Paige McMillan, and Maddie Rayering. And in girls volleyball, Division II, Piper Kalman received second team recognition. An honorable mention goes to Lauren Sewell and Michaela Betting. Congratulations to our field hockey and volleyball all-stars.
On to boys cross country. Division II first team honors go to Liam Morris with honorable mention to Jonah Walls. In girls cross country Division II, first team honor goes to Hayden Withers and an honorable mention to Sarah Schumann. In boys golf Division II, first team recognition goes to Peter Shakely, second team to Alex Holtzoffel, and honorable mentions to Will Heekin and Wyatt Higgins. Amazing job to all of our sports braves. Let's keep it up in the 2021 season.
And now, here come Dylan and Isaac with their, resignation.
Yes, Graham, it's true. Isaac and I will be leaving Braceby and creating our own content in the future.
Yes, it's a little unfortunate, but we thought that now was really the best time for us to move on and create what we wanted to create.
Couldn't have said it better myself, but I'll try. Much like a bird, we need to leave the nest and let ourselves fly. There's a point in everybody's life where they've grown good enough that they're independent, and they can really pursue whatever they wish for in life, and that is exactly what we're doing. Now, all this content that we'll be creating will be announced on our channel.
Yeah! And be sure to leave a message in a comment section. It really helps us out. But we just thought the restrictions on Brave Beat felt a little limiting. So our new content, it's gonna be unlimited. We are gonna be making pretty much any type of content that you could ask for. And remember to keep up with our schedule, because we'll be creating content every
And we'll be using the most up-to-date smartphones and USB microphones at our disposal. All these great high-definition videos will be available and notified on several of our accounts. So make sure to follow us on.
That is really it, folks. We're going to be starting all this soon, and I am just so excited to see it happen.
I could not agree more.
You aren't leaving. Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir.
Well, that's all the news we have for this week. We hope you had a great first week of 2021, and remember, next week is the final week for this first semester, so hang in there and finish strong.
Yes, and be sure to follow us on Twitter, subscribe to us on YouTube, and email us with any school updates.
And as always, stay
classy.
Indian
Hill.
Alright everyone, we are back with episode, 3 of Danger Zone. Episode 3 comes a new setting. We are in my kitchen. But anyway, we are continuing our journey with our citric acid in hand. So, what I did was I have a multitude of different food objects here. So what we're going to do is we're going to introduce it to some savory flavors up here. So let's just take a little bit of the citric acid, just pour a little bit of the citric acid on the pickle. Alright. Let's take a look and see how this enhances the pickle. Oh! Oh, wow. That's a really weird flavor. Alright. Now, y'all love cereal. So do I. So let's just sprinkle in. Alright.
Oh wow!
Woo! What was that? I got some popcorn Oreos, or I don't know what these things are. So let's just give them a little upgrade. Alright. Well, that's it for me from the Danger Zone.